In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Microsoft Planner on desktop. Microsoft Planner does not have a traditional standalone desktop app for Windows or Mac OS. The best way to get a dedicated desktop-style experience is to install Planner as a progressive web app, also known as a PWA. This gives you a separate app window, its own desktop icon, and an easy way to pin it to your taskbar or dock, so it feels much closer to a real desktop application. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, go to the Microsoft Planner website at planner.cloud.microsoft. Once the site loads, sign in with your Microsoft Work or School account if you are prompted. After you are signed in, you should land in Planner and see your plans and recent work. At this point, it helps to confirm you are on the correct Planner page you want to use regularly. For example, you might open your main project board or the plan you manage most often, so the installed app opens exactly where you want to start each day. Now you are ready to install it. Look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots to open the main menu. In that menu, find and select Save and Share, and then choose Install Page as App. Chrome may show a small dialog where you can confirm the app name. You can keep the default name or adjust it to something easy to recognize, like Microsoft Planner. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the installation. After you confirm, Chrome will create the app and open Planner in its own dedicated window. This new window runs separately from your normal browser tabs, which reduces clutter and makes Planner feel more like a focused workspace. To make access even faster, look for the new Planner app icon on your desktop or in your apps list. You can also right-click it to pin it to the taskbar on Windows or add it to the dock on Mac OS, depending on your setup. From now on, you can launch Planner like any other desktop app, and it will take you straight into your Planner environment. That covers everything you need to know.